Hello and welcome everyone to exercise number 19 of the SolidWorks basic tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be designing a block cam. Now, the 3D representation of what you see here is a typical block cam. It's not an actual mechanical component. You can think of it as an outer casing or outer housing of a camera. The geometry here is simplified, of course. Here, we see the isometric view of the component. All dimensions here are in millimeters. And personally, I think this is a relatively simple SolidWorks exercise to implement, okay? So yeah, there really isn't much for me to say here. Let's get started. All right, so let's start by creating a new SolidWorks part. We set the background to plain white, and we copy exercise number 19 into SolidWorks for better viewing. So I think we should start by creating this larger rectangular cube, this rectangular profile right here. So to do that, we select front plane, sketch, select center rectangle, and let's draw a single rectangle. Let's go ahead and assign dimensions. If we look at the figure here, we see the rectangle should have a height of 60 millimeters and a length of 100. So this is 60, while this side right here is 100. Go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. We're going to select Midplane. Looking at the figure, we see that the rectangle should have a thickness of 30 millimeters. So enter a thickness of 30 millimeters. Phase 1 completed. Now we're going to sketch this circle here and use the Extrude Boss Base feature to create the thickness. So again, select this face, sketch, go to Circle, and draw a circle right here at the center of this rectangular profile. Go to Smart Dimensions, and the circle here has a radius of 25 millimeters. So the diameter here should be 50. Go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and we're going to extrude this to a thickness of 20 millimeters. But before that, let's set the end condition to blind. All right, and enter a thickness of 20 millimeters. Now we're going to work on the geometry to get at the top. So select this face, sketch. Let's go ahead and create this circle here. So go to Circle. And from this center point here, we go along and draw a single circle. Go to Smart Dimensions. And this circle should have a radius of 10 millimeters. So it automatically a diameter of 20 millimeters. The distance between this side and the center of the circle, looking at the figure, should be 15 millimeters. All right, now go to Features, Extrude Boss Base. We're going to extrude this to a height of 5 millimeters. So this has a height of 5 millimeters. Select OK. We perform the same procedure for this square protrusion here. So again, select this space, sketch, go center rectangle, hovering over the center of the model, and we go along and draw a square. Go to Smart Dimensions. The square should be 10 by 10. So this side is 10 millimeters, while this side is 10 millimeters. Go ahead and make the relation between this point and the center of the square horizontal, just to make sure that everything is aligned perfectly. Now go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and we're going to extrude this again to a height of 5 millimeters. Finally, we're going to work on this geometry right here. So select this face, sketch, go to Corner Rectangle, and draw a single rectangle. But before that, we made a mistake here. with regards to this cube here. What should we do? Now, this is actually a learning opportunity. We should go to the last extrusion right here and hover over sketch. And what do? We go to edit sketch. We enter the sketch and we edit the sketch. We go to smart dimension, and the distance between the center of this, or actually this edge right here, and the edge of this larger component should be 15 millimeters. So the distance between this point, this line, and this line is 15. We forgot to do that. And from there, select OK. Automatically, we exit the sketch. See, everything is aligned perfectly now. Now go to sketch, corner rectangle, and draw. So sketch, select this surface sketch, corner rectangle, and draw a single rectangle. Now we need to make sure that this rectangle aligns perfectly with the center of the component. So select this point and the origin here. Make the relation vertical. All right. Now go to smart dimensions. This side here has a length of 30 millimeters. Go to features, extrude boss base. We're going to extrude this to a height of 10 millimeters. Select OK. The last step is to create this slope right here. So to do that, select this face, sketch. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to draw a triangle to cut out and create the slope. So it's like this. Draw a single triangle. Go to smart dimensions. And this triangle here actually is 10 millimeters. This side is 10 millimeters. And select OK. Now go to features, extrude cut. We're going to cut this all the way through and select OK. Delete the image. Let's go ahead and assign a material. Select steel and select polished steel. All right, so that concludes exercise number 19. I hope you all enjoyed this video and actually learned something new. We've taken the opportunity to adjust a sketch that we already made. Again, for this cube right here at the top. It was an unintentional mistake, but actually served as a perfect learning opportunity. Anyway, if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you all in exercise number 20. Until then, bye-bye.